you're ready to dive into the world of Cricut. The custom tumblers, the flawless t-shirts, the personalized gifts, but then you see them. 5 different Cricut machines, all with different price tags and promises. Choosing the wrong one could cost you hundreds of dollars and leave your dream projects gathering dust. What if I told you that the most expensive model is almost never the right choice for a beginner? And that one hidden gem, often overlooked, is the secret weapon for seasoned crafters? After testing every single model on the market, I'm revealing the definitive ranking of the top 5 Cricut machines, and our number 1 pick will change everything you thought you knew. Let's find your perfect match. Starting at number 1. Cricut Joy Xtra. Best overall. The newest addition to the Cricut lineup, the Cricut Joy Xtra stood out for its compact size that still packs a punch. This machine accommodates materials that are printer paper size, which is ideal for cutting out stickers or other designs you print out. Unlike the Cricut Joy, the Joy Xtra has a sensor to easily cut around stickers and designs printed from an inkjet printer. While the Maker and Explore machines take up ample space, this machine is much smaller and can easily be tucked away on a desk or in a crafting room. In our tests, we found that the larger machines required larger mats, which can get annoying to store and operate, so this is a great introductory Cricut machine as it combines the capabilities you want with a more compact size. It also has a sleek appearance that looks nice sitting out. When analysts tested the different machines, they all reported that this was their favorite. I found this machine to accurately cut out complicated vinyl designs with a similar process to the Maker and Explore machines, just at a slower speed. The smaller mat size means it cannot accommodate larger designs. It has a shorter cutting depth, so the Joy Xtra cannot cut felt, foam or fabric. This machine pairs with the Cricut Design Studio via Bluetooth, but does not have a USB plug. Number 2. Cricut Maker 3. Most capabilities. If you want to invest in the ultimate crafting machine, look no further. The Maker 3 has a ton of capabilities to successfully tackle a variety of materials. This is the only machine that can engrave, deboss and perforate, with the proper blades. I like that I could use such a range of materials with this machine. While with the Joy line, you are limited to paper, vinyl and iron-on sheets. I enjoyed being able to experiment with fabric, felt, leather and even wood. If you are a quilter, this machine could be helpful to cut out fabric pieces with ease. Because of the larger mat size, I could organize multiple designs on the same large piece of vinyl, which was helpful when working on multiple projects at once. I was immediately impressed with just how fast this machine operates. It cuts 11.3 inches per second, which is about 2 times faster than the Cricut Joy and Joy Xtra machines. Bottom line, this machine has a huge range of capabilities, so it's great for an experienced crafter or small business owner who plans to use the Cricut regularly for all sorts of applications. Choose this machine if you want to engrave, deboss or perforate functions. If you don't, go with a simpler model for a lower cost. Number 3. Cricut Joy. Best for paper crafts. Paper crafts are a dream on the Cricut Joy. It is the smallest and most affordable Cricut machine, making it a great introduction to cutting machines. Because of its smaller size, it's lightweight and easily portable to craft parties and get-togethers. Because it fits cards perfectly in the machine, I especially like using the draw function on this machine. Make sure to use pens compatible with the Joy machine so it's easy to set up and operate. I found it to be a great tool to make DIY cards and stationery, ideal for wedding favors and signage. When cutting vinyl, it cut accurately overall, but because of the smaller mat size, it didn't cut out highly detailed images as well because they had to be much smaller. This machine syncs to the Cricut Design Space via Bluetooth and lacks a USB port. Bottom line, if you want the most affordable Cricut machine and plan to use it mostly for paper crafts, the Joy is the way to go. It's super compact and lightweight for easy storage. It currently costs just $140, making it a total steal. It can also cut out vinyl and is compatible with smart materials too, so it works well for small decals as well. Skip this machine if you want to cut out stickers. It lacks a sensor that the other featured machines have to cut stickers out easily. Number 4. Cricut Explore 3. Best for cutting. Cut out vinyl, paper and many other materials with the Cricut Explore 3 machine. It's in between a Joy and Maker machine. It has more functions and a larger mat size than the Joy, but the Maker has more capabilities and compatible materials. This machine is great for anyone who wants to mainly cut out larger decals and banners but doesn't want the fancier functions, making it popular among teachers. This machine is compatible with smart materials from Cricut, so you can skip the mat. The larger cutting area is helpful when working on multiple projects at once. Unlike the Joy machines, you can use both Bluetooth and a USB connection to upload designs and images. When I was using this machine, it ran smoothly and wasn't too loud either. I like having the controls on the machine instead of just on the app. Joy and Joy Xtra do not have controls on the machine, for easier setup and material unloading. There's also a holder for an iPad. Bottom line, the Explore 3 offers a larger mat size compared to the Joy line while being more affordable than the Maker 3 by about $100. If you want a larger mat size but don't care about the fancier functions, this machine is the best choice. Number 5. Cricut EasyPress 3 Heat Press Machine with Heat Press Mat. Best heat press. When using iron-on sheets and transferring the designs to a t-shirt, I was impressed with how well this heat press easily allowed the design to transfer. The end result looked so professional. It heated up quickly and the displays and controls were clear and easy to operate. It pairs with an app on your phone, which felt unnecessary to me but can be helpful for more complicated projects as it gives heat and usage guidelines. If you plan to make tons of iron-on projects or own a business, this is a helpful tool, but for the everyday crafter, an iron you already own does the trick. When making a high quantity of iron-on apparel, this gadget can certainly speed up the process and yield professional-looking results. And there you have it. From the perfect beginner machine to the absolute powerhouse for pros, one of these 5 is the key to unlocking your creativity. No more confusion, no more guesswork. Ready to get started? Every single Cricut machine, bundle, and essential accessory we talked about is linked for you in the video description below. I've hunted down the best 2025 deals to save you time and money. If this guide cleared the fog and helped you find your perfect Cricut, please give this video a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. If you know a friend who's been wanting to start their Cricut journey, share this with them and craft together. And for more honest reviews, project ideas, and crafting secrets, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Now go make something amazing. I'll see you in the next video.